Good morning, school. Exercise 6.1 going on. Question number 7. The length x of a rectangle is decreasing at the rate of 5 cm per minute and the width y is increasing at the rate of 4 cm per minute. When x is equal to 8 cm and y is equal to 6 cm, find the rates of change of A point the perimeter, B point the area of rectangle. दिस इज होमवर्क फॉर यू. इस टाइप्स का क्वेश्चन हमने एग्जाम्पल में कराया है, उसका हेल्प ले लीजिएगा. क्वेश्चन नंबर 8. अ बैलून विच ऑलवेज रिमेन्स स्फेरिकल ऑन इन्फ्लेशन is being inflated by pumping in 900 cubic centimeter of gas per second. Find the rates at which the radius of the balloon increase when the radius is 15 centimeter. Solution. Let R be the radius and V be the volume of the spherical balloon at any time t. Given dV by dt is equal to 900 cubic centimeter per second and radius of balloon R is equal to 15 centimeter. Now volume of sphere V is equal to 4/3 pi r cube. Differentiate with respect to t. We have dV by dt is equal to 900. Put the value of V. Implies that d by dt 4/3 pi r cube is equal to 900. डिफ्रेंशिएट करेंगे आर क्यूब का 3r², फिर आर का डी आर बाई डी टी, तो 4/3 मल्टीप्लाई बाई 3 पाई r² डी आर बाई डी टी इज इक्वल टू 900. सो डी आर बाई डी टी इज इक्वल टू 900/4 पाई r². पुट r इज इक्वल टू 15. गिव यू 900/4 पाई 15 का स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 1/5 सेंटीमीटर पर सेकेंड. Question 9. A balloon which always remains spherical has a variable radius. Find the rate at which its volume is increasing with the radius when the latter is 10 centimeter. रेडियस 10 सेंटीमीटर दे रहा है. सॉल्यूशन. Let R be the radius of spherical balloon and V be its volume. Then R is equal to 10 centimeter. Now volume of sphere V is equal to 4/3 pi r cube. We know that. Differentiate with respect to R. dV/dr is equal to 4/3 pi multiply by 3r². Give you 4 pi r². Put r is equal to 10. So dV/dr is equal to 4 pi multiply by 10 का स्क्वायर is equal to 400 pi cubic semi per semi. Thus, rate of change of volume is 400 pi cubic semi per semi. Question 10. A ladder 5 centimeter long is leaning against a wall. The bottom of the ladder is pulled along the ground always from the wall. at the rate of 2 centimeter per second. How fast is its height on the wall decreasing when the foot of the ladder is 4 centimeter away from the wall? करा एक दीवार से एक सीढ़ी लगाई जाती है, फिर नीचे ज़मीन पे उसको अगेंस्ट वॉल खींचा जाता है, तो हाइट उसकी कम होगी. वही रेट ऑफ हाइट पूछ रहा है, कितनी डिक्रीज होगी. सॉल्यूशन: लेट द फुट ऑफ द लैडर बी x फ्रॉम द वॉल. Let the ladder reach at a height of y centimeter on the wall at any time t. Then OA is equal to x meter, OB is equal to y meter, and AB is equal to 5 meter. So dx upon dt is equal to 2 given semi per second, 2 upon 100 मीटर पर सेकेंड. सेंटीमीटर से मीटर में चेंज कर दिया. इन राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल ओ ए बी बाई पाइथागोरस थ्योरम, परपेंडिकुलर स्क्वायर प्लस बेस स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू हाइपोटेनस स्क्वायर. सो एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस वाई स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 5 स्क्वायर. दिस इज फर्स्ट इक्वेशन. डिफरेंशिएट विद रिस्पेक्ट टू टी. वी हैव 2x dx by dt plus 2y dy by dt is equal to 0. 5 का स्क्वायर को 0. सो 2x मल्टीप्लाई बाई 2 upon 100 plus 2y dy by dt is equal to 0. Given dx upon dt is equal to 2 upon 100 implies that 2y dy by dt is equal to minus x upon 25. Implies that dy by dt is equal to minus x upon 50 y. This is second equation. Now on putting x is equal to 4 in equation first, we have 4 का स्क्वायर प्लस y स्क्वायर is equal to 25. Implies that y square is equal to 25 minus 16 is equal to 9. So y is equal to 3. Putting the value of x and y in second, we have dy by dt is equal to minus 4 upon 50 multiplied by 3 is equal to minus 2 upon 75 meter per second. So dy by dt is in centimeter. dy by dt is equal to minus 2 upon 75 multiplied by 100 centimeter per second is equal to minus 8 upon 3 semi per second. Thus rate of decrease of height on the wall is 8 upon 3 centimeter per second. नेगेटिव साइन आया इसलिए डिक्रीज हो रहा है, अगर पॉजिटिव साइन आता तो इंक्रीज होता. ओके. क्वेश्चन 11. A particle moves along the curve by 6y is equal to x cube plus 2. Find the points on the curve at which the y coordinates is changing 8 times as fast as the x coordinates. Solution: 6y is equal to x cube plus 2. This is first equation. And dy by dt is equal to 8 times of dx by dt. Differentiate with respect to t. We have 6 dy by dt is equal to 3x square dx by dt plus 2 का 0. Put dy by dt is equal to 8 times dx by dt. We have 6 multiplied by 8 dx by dt is equal to 3x square dx by dt. So dx square is equal to 48, implies that x square is equal to 16, implies that x is equal to plus minus 4 from 1. If x is equal to 4, then y is equal to 11 by solving. If x is equal to minus 4, implies that y is equal to minus 31 by 3 by calculation. Thus, required points are 4, 11 and minus 4 minus 31 upon 3. Question 12. The radius of an air bubble is increasing at the rate of half centimeter per second. At what rate is the volume of the bubble increasing when the radius is 1 centimeter? अगर रेडियस उसका चेंज हो रहा हाफ सेमी पर सेकेंड, तो उसकी वॉल्यूम, बुलबुले की वॉल्यूम कैसे चेंज होगी? अगर उसकी रेडियस 1 सेंटीमीटर तो कैसे चेंज होगी? सॉल्यूशन. लेट r be the radius of bubble and v be the volume of bubble at any time t. dr by dt is equal to half semi per second and r is equal to 1 centimeter. Now v is equal to 4 pi 3 pi r cube. Differentiate with respect to x. dv by dt is equal to 4 upon 3 pi multiply by 3r square dr by dt, implies that dv by dt is equal to 4 pi r square into half. Put the value of dr by dt is equal to half, is equal to 2 pi r square. Value of dv by dt at r is equal to 1 is equal to 2 pi multiplied by 1 का square, give you 2 pi cubic semi per second. Question 13. A balloon which always remain spherical has a variable diameter 3 by 2 2x plus 1. Find the rate of change of its volume with respect to x. Solution. Let r be the radius and v be the volume of the spherical balloon. Then r is equal to 3 by 4 2x plus 1 and v is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. Differentiate with respect to r to x. We have dr by dx is equal to 3 by 4 2x का 1 to multiply by 1 plus 1 का 0. This is equal to 3 by 2. We know that volume of a sphere is v is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. Now differentiate with respect to x. We have dv by dx is equal to 4 by 3 pi multiply by 3 r square dr by dx. dr by dx is equal to 3 by 2 is equal to 4 pi r square multiply by 3 by 2 is equal to 6 pi r square. Putting the value of r is equal to 3 by 4 2x plus 1, we have dv by dx is equal to 6 pi into 3 by 4 2x plus 1 का whole square, give you 6 pi multiply by 9 upon 16 2x plus 1 का whole square. So dv by dx is equal to 27 by 8 pi 2x+1 का होल स्क्वायर। क्वेश्चन 14, sand is pouring from a pipe at the rate of 12 cubic cm per second. The falling sand forms a cone on the ground in such a way that the height of the cone is always 1/6 of the radius of the base. How fast is the height of sand cone increasing when the height is 4 centimeter? Solution. Given dV upon dt is equal to 12 cubic semi per second and h is equal to 1/6 r and h is equal to 4 centimeter, where h is denote height of cone and r radius of base. Find the value of dh by dt. We know that volume of cone is V is equal to 1/3 pi r square h. V is equal to, put r is equal to 6h. V is equal to 1/3 pi 6h का होल स्क्वायर मल्टीप्लाई बाई h is equal to 12 pi h cube. Now differentiate with respect to t. dV by dt is equal to 12 pi multiply by 3h square dh by dt. So dV by dt is equal to 12. So 12 is equal to 12 pi multiply by 3 multiply by h is equal to 4 का स्क्वायर multiply by dh by dt. So h is equal to 4 centimeter. dh by dt is equal to 12 upon 12 pi multiply by 48 is equal to 1/48 pi centimeter per second. क्वेश्चन 15 इज होमवर्क. इस टाइप क्वेश्चन हमने करा दिया है एग्जाम्पल्स में. द टोटल कॉस्ट CX in rupees associated with the production of X unit of item is given by CX is equal to 0.007 x cube minus 0.003 x square plus 15x plus 4000. Find the marginal cost when x 17 units are produced. इसको x के रिस्पेक्ट में डिफ्रेंशिएट करिए. डिफ्रेंशिएट करने के बाद x की जगह 17 रख दीजिएगा, आंसर आ जाएगा. ओके. द टोटल क्वेश्चन नंबर 16 होमवर्क. द टोटल रेवेन्यू इन रुपीज रिसीव्ड फ्रॉम द सेल ऑफ x units of a product is given by Rx is equal to 13x square plus 26x plus 15. Find the marginal revenue when x is equal to 7. This question have solved same as the same question 15. इस टाइप के एग्जाम्पल में दिया है, उसी आधार पे होगा. क्वेश्चन 17 MCQ क्वेश्चन. The rate of change of the area of a circle with respect to its radius r at r is equal to 6 semi is a point 10 pi, b point 12 pi, c point 8 pi, d point 11 pi. Solution. Let A be the area of circle. Now area of circle A is equal to pi r square. Differentiate with respect to r. dA upon dr is equal to 2 pi r. Put the r is equal to 6. 2 pi into 6 give you 12 pi. Option B is correct answer. Question 18. The total revenue in rupees received from the sale of X units of a product is given by Rx is equal to 3x square plus 36x plus 5. The marginal revenue when x is equal to 15 is A. Option 116, B. 96, C. 90, D. 126. Solution. Given Rx is equal to 3x square plus 36x plus 5. So dr by dx is equal to 6x plus 36. Value of dr by dx add x is equal to 15 is equal to 6 multiplied by 15 plus 36 give you 126. Thus option D is correct answer. Okay. Now my next topic is increasing and decreasing function. Let y is equal to fx be any function. A change in value of x either increased or decreased certainly will make a change in value of fx और y. कह रहा है कि y इज इक्वल टू एफ एक्स एक फंक्शन है. अगर x की वैल्यू में हम चेंज करें, इंक्रीज करें या डिक्रीज करें, तो y के भी वैल्यू में इंक्रीज या डिक्रीज होगा, बशर्ते वो कांस्टेंट फंक्शन न हो. एक्सेप्ट कांस्टेंट फंक्शन, आइदर इट विल बी इंक्रीज और डिक्रीज डिपेंडिंग अपॉन द नेचर ऑफ फंक्शन. या फंक्शन की नेचर पर डिपेंड करेगा कि इंडिपेंडेंट की वैल्यू इंक्रीज होगी कि डिपेंडेंट की वेरिएबल की वैल्यू इंक्रीज होगी कि डिक्रीज होगी. नाउ वी विल स्टडी दिस behavior of a function in an interval and how to use derivative of function to determine whether it is increasing or decreasing. हम यहाँ पे यूज करेंगे एप्लीकेशन ऑफ डेरिवेटिव का, माने विद द हेल्प ऑफ डिफरेंशिएशन, कि ये फंक्शन इंक्रीज होगा कि डिक्रीज होगा, उसके हेल्प से हम बताएंगे कि क्या होगा. यूज ऑफ डेरिवेटिव करेंगे. नाउ इंक्रीजिंग फंक्शन, व्हाट इज इंक्रीजिंग फंक्शन? इसका डायग्राम देखिए कैसा इंक्रीज हो रहा है. सीधे जा रहा, फिर रुक गया, फिर सीधे गया, फिर रुक गया, फिर ऊपर गया. तो जिस पॉइंट पे वो रुक रहा है वहाँ पे इक्वल है. लेट I be an open interval in domain of real valued function f, then f is said to be an increasing function on I if x1 is less than x2, implies that fx1 is less than equal to fx2. करा वैल्यू अगर लेस होगा तो उसकी फंक्शन की वैल्यू भी इस पॉइंट पे लेस होगी. फॉर ऑल x1 x2 बिलोंग टू I. कोई भी इस फंक्शन पे दो पॉइंट ले लीजिए, फिर x1 y1 x2 y2, फिर कंपेयर करिए x1 y1 और x2 y2, कंपेयर करिए तो x1 इज लेस देन x2 होगा. देखिए y1 मीन्स fx1, y2 मतलब मीन्स fx2. y1 का मतलब यहाँ पे f(x1) से, y2 का मतलब है f(x2) पे, तो y1 की वैल्यू y2 के इक्वल होगी या लेस होगी। ठीक है। अब नाउ नेक्स्ट टॉपिक, स्ट्रिक्टली इंक्रीजिंग फंक्शन। लेट I be an open interval in the domain of real valued function f, then f is said to be strictly increasing if x1 is less than x2, implies that f x1 is only less than f x2। वहाँ पे इक्वल नहीं होगा, यहाँ पे ओनली लेस देन, और इंक्रीजिंग फंक्शन में क्या था, लेस देन इक्वल था, बस यहाँ पे यही डिफरेंट है। नेक्स्ट टॉपिक, माय नेक्स्ट टॉपिक इज डिक्रीजिंग फंक्शन एंड स्ट्रिक्टली डिक्रीजिंग फंक्शन। वी विल स्टडी फॉर नेक्स्ट डे। ओके, हैव अ नाइस डे।